Good morning everyone. Welcome back to Maths Online class. Priya here. I hope you all are doing good. Students, today I will teach you two-digit numbers. Page number 1 to 8. So all of you open your books. Page number 1. This is your page number 1. Things we know. First question is write 1 to 100. Here you have to write forward counting from 1 to 100. And you have to do this work in books only, yourself in homework. Okay. Now question number 2, write the number names. Here you will write the spelling of the numbers. A part 25. The spelling of 25 is TWENTY. FIVE 25. Now B part 7. SEVEN. Write in the space given 7. C part 19. The spelling of 19 is NINETEEN 19. D part 4. FOUR 4. E part 14. FOURTEEN 14. Right here in the space given. F part 12. TWELVE 12. G part 36. Right here. THIRTY 36. SIX 6 in the space given. Now H part 28. TWENTY 28. EIGST 8. Now come to 15. I part 15. FIFTEEN 15. Now J part 43. FORTY 40. THREE 43. Now K part 17. The spelling of 17 is SEVENTEEN 17. Now L part 50. Write in the space given FIFTY 50. Write in a good handwriting in book. Now come to page number 2, question number 3. Carry on pattern. Here students, you have to complete the series. In A part you see alternate numbers are given. 15, then 17, then 19, leave 20, right here 21, now leave 22, right here 23 in the space given. Now leave 24, right here 25, now leave 26, right 27. Now B part 28, 30 and 32 is given. And here you can see these are alternate numbers, and you can do like this also. You have to add in 28 2. Now you will get 30. Now add 2, you will get here 32. Now for completing the series, you have to add in each number here 2. 32 plus 2, right here 34. Now again you add 2 in 34. The answer will be 36, right here in the space given 36. Now add 2. Here you write 38, now add 2. Here you will get 40, now write in the box 40. Now C part, backward series is given 44, 43, 42. Like this you complete the series. Minus 1, right here 41. Now minus 1, right here 40. Minus 1, right here 39. Now now minus 1 from 39, right here 38. Now D part, here you can see the numbers 20, then 30, then 40 here. 20 is increased by 10, 30 is given. Now add 10 in 30, you will get 40. Now to complete the series, add 10 in 40, right here 50. Now add 10 in 50, right here 60. Now add 10 in 60, right here 70. Now again add 10 in 70, right here 80. Now E part 15, 20 and 25 is given, and here you can see the difference in 15 and 20 is 5 now. So add in 15, 5, you will get here 20. Now add 5, here you will get 25. Now again add 5 to complete the series. Right here in the space given. In 25 add 5, you will get here 30. Now add 5 in 30, right here 35. Now add 5 in 35, right here 40. Now add 5 in 40, right here 45. Now question number 4, write in words. In A part, in question number 4, A part, here you have to write number names, or you can say you have to write in words. A part is 60. Write the spelling of 60. SIXTY 60. Now B part 70. Write the spelling of, write the number name of 70. SEVENTY 70. Now C part 80. EIGSTY. Write in this box. Now D part 53. Write the number name of it. 53. FIFTY 53. THREE 3. Now E part 66. SIXTY 66. SIX 66. Now write the number name of 73. SEVENTY THREE 73. Now 78, write in the box. SEVENTY EIGST. Now H part 69. SIXTY 69. NINE. Now I part 34. THIRTY 34. FOUR 4. J part 90. The spelling of 90. NINETY 90. Now K part 92. Write in words. NINETY 92. TWO 2. Now last L part 100. Write here 100. ONE 100. HUNDRED 100. Listen students, you have to do this one in copy in homework from A part to L part. Now page number 3, question number 5. Write what comes before and after. Here in A part is C, 9 is given. You have to write here what comes before 9 is 8, write here 8. What comes after 9, write here 10. Now B part 7 is given. Write before 7 is 6. Now write after 7 8. Now C part, before 14 you write here 13. After 14 write here 15. Now D part 19 is given. Before 19 you write here in the space given 18, and after 19 write here 20. Like this you do all part yourself in books only. Now question number 6, write the number name. You have to write the number between, you have to write here. आपको इसमें बीच का नंबर लिखना है बेटा. In A part you see two numbers are given, 10 and 12. What number will come in between? 11. What number will come in between 14 and 16? 15. Right here 15. Now C part, what number will come in between 19 and 21? Right here 20. Now D part, 25 and 27 is written. What number will come in between here? 26. Like this you do this one also yourself in books. Now come to question number 7. Fill in A part, the number before 23. Before 23 you write here 22. The number after 39. After 39 you write here 40. C part, the number before 70 is 69. D part, the number after dash is 43 is 42. The number before 61 is 60. Like this you do this one also, and this one you do in copies also in a good handwriting. Now page number 4. Here question number 8 is write in short form. A part, 30 plus 7 is given. It is given in expanded form and you have to write now short form. 30 plus 7, 37. It is on 30 is on tens place and 7 is on ones place. Now D part, 20 plus 5 is 25. C part, 10 plus 8 is 18. 10 is on tens place and 8 is on ones place. D part, 50 plus 3, 53. Right here in the space given 53. 3 is on ones place and 50 is on tens place. Like this you do this one yourself. Now question number 9. Here you have to write in long form or you can say expanded form. Here the question is in short form, you have to expand it. 50 plus 3. The A part is 53. Now write in expanded form. 5 is on tens place na, so write here 50. Now put plus sign. 3 is on ones place, write here 3. Now come to B part. Question is 42. 4 is on tens place, write here 40. 2 is on ones place, write here 2. Put plus sign in between, okay. Now C part, question is 26. 2 is on tens place, write here 20. Now put plus sign. And 6 is on ones place, write here 6. Now from D to G part you do yourself in books only, and this one you do in copy also in homework. Write in short form and write in expanded form. Now question 10, fill in. Now you can see here in abacus in tens side you see how many beads are there. Count 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Write here 3 tens. Now on one side how many are there? 1 2 3 4. Write here 4. 3 tens plus 4 ones is 34. Now B part, 5 tens. Here you can see in tens how many beads are there? 5. Write here 5 plus in ones place how many? 3. Write here 3. Now write in short form 53. Like this you do all parts in books only in a good handwriting. Now question is now place value. The chapter is place value, page number 5. Here you can see question number 1, fill in. Here I want to explain you one thing about place value. Suppose you have 27 and you want to know the place value of 7. It is on ones place na, 7 is on ones place. The place value of 7 is 7 and 2 is on tens place. So the place value of 27 is 20. Okay students, I hope you understood this one. Take another one example. 50. Suppose we have this number 50. 0 is on ones place. We will write the place value of 0, 0 only. Now write the place value of 5. is, it is on tens place now, so write here 50. Like this you will do this questions also. Question number 1, fill in. A part, the digit in the tens place of 19. 1 is on tens place, write here 1 and its place value is 10. Now B part, the digit in the ones place of 19. Ones place is 9, write here 9 and its place value is 9. Now C part, the digit in the ones place of 27 is 7 and its place value is 7. Now D part, the digit in the tens place of 27 is 2 and its place value is 20. E part, the place value of 6 in 63, it is on tens place, so write here 60, and the place value of 3 in 63, it is on ones place, so write here 3. Like this you do this one also yourself in books only. Comparing and arranging. The number that comes later while counting is greater. Here to compare two digit number, compare the digit in the tens place, and if the digit in the tens place are equal, compare the digit in the ones place. तो पहले तो आप जो टेंस प्लेस पे डिजिट है उसे कंपेयर करेंगे कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है. फिर सेकंड पॉइंट, अगर वो दोनों इक्वल हैं तो आप वंस प्लेस का नंबर चेक करेंगे कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज राइट ग्रेटर देन, स्मॉलर देन और इक्वल टू. A part, you can see the question is 46 or 74. Which one is greater? Here you can see. First you will check, compare first tens place number. Okay. Here 4 it is written and here 7. Which is greater? 7 na? So put sign here. Now B part, first number is 25, second is 24. And here you can see on tens place 2 is given and both are same. So now we will compare next ones place number. Here it is 5 and it is 4. Which one is greater? 5. So we will put sign here. Now come to C part. Question is 72 or 27. Which one is greater? First we will compare tens place number. Here it is given 7 and here it is given 2. 7 is greater, so we will put here. Now D part, 16 or 8, which one is greater? It is two digit number, it is single digit and it is obvious which one is greater. 16 is greater than 8. So put here this sign. Now all these you will do yourself in homework properly in books only. Now page number 7. Here you have to write in first question, write the smallest number. Here in A part you can see few numbers are given and which one is the smallest number, write in the space given. Here the numbers are 12, 13, 11, 19 and here smallest number is 11, write here 11. Now B part, 23, 24, 34, 21 and 35 is given and here you can see smallest number is 21, right here 21. Now in C part, 38, 48, 28 and 88 is given and smallest number is 28, right in the box 28. Like this you do this part yourself. Now come to question number 2, write the largest number. A part is 18, 20, 22 and 24. Which number is largest? You have to write your greatest number, सबसे बड़ा number. Here greatest number is 24. Write in the box 24. Now come to B part, 36, 54 and 60, 50, 36, 54, 63 and 37 are given and here you can see 54 is largest. 54 is largest, so 63 is largest, so write here 63, not 54, 63 is largest. Now C part 34, 23, 13 and 33 is given, and here 34 is greatest, right here 34 in space given, and this one you do yourself, in a good handwriting. Now question number 3, you have to write here in ascending order, means you have to write from smallest to largest, सबसे छोटे नंबर से बड़े नंबर तक लिखना है आपको यहाँ, and here you will get the few digits you will get here 15, 12, 2, 22, 13. Now arrange in order, in ascending order. First you write 2, then 12, then 13, then 15, then 22. 2, 12, 13, 15, 22. Now B part, you see here you have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. First you write 19, then 21, 26, 34 and 66. Like this you do all parts, remaining parts C and D yourself. Now come to question number 4. Here you will write in descending order, means घटते क्रम में आपको लार्जेस्ट से स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर में लिखना है. सबसे बड़ा पहले नंबर लिखेंगे, फिर उससे छोटा, फिर उससे छोटा, फिर उससे छोटा. Okay, in A part you see few numbers are given 32, 24, 56, 78, 26. Here you have to write first number largest 78, then 56, then 32, then 26, then 24. Like this you do this part. Now B part 44, 55, 11, 22, 99 is given. Now write here 99, you have to write in descending order now, then 55, then 44, then 22 and last 11. Like this you do these two part also. Yourself in homework, in books only. Come to page number 8. Here you have to write ordinal numbers like this. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now question number 1, fill in. In a week, Tuesday is the dash day. You have to count from Sunday. Sunday is the first day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. It is third day, right here, third day. Now B part, Saturday is the dash day of the week. Seventh now, count from Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It comes on seventh day, so right here, seventh. And Sunday is the first day. Now C part, in the year, May is the fifth day. January, February, March, April, May. It is fifth month now, right here, fifth month. Not day, fifth month. Now August is which month? Comes in which month? It comes on 8th month. Right here, 8. E-I-G-H-T-H. Now D part, A is the first letter of alphabet and E is the fifth letter. Now E part, L is the 12th letter of the alphabet and K is the 11th letter. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. It is 12th letter. Right here 12th. T, W, E, L, F, T, H. इसकी स्पेलिंग ठीक से लिखना बेटा. T, W, E, L, F, T, H. And the spelling of 11th is E, L, E, V, E, N, T, H. Now F part, in Bharatnatyam, the 10th letter, you have to count from B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Y is on 10, right here. Y. And 12th letter is M, right here, M. Now in dictionary, the letter T comes on 4th place and R comes on 9th place, right here, 9th. Now question 2, write the names. You have to write the names. First one, here you can write mango, apple, orange, watermelon, banana. and here now write the first letter of these word in the alphabet. You have to arrange this. First you have to write A, then B, then M, then O, then W. Here you have to write the spelling of full, like mango. Okay, here apple, like this. And now using the first letters and write the word in the alphabetical order. The first apple first letter से start है ना, so write here apple, then B for banana, here you write banana. Now here M for mango, write here mango. Now for orange, write here orange. Last W, write here watermelon. You have to write in alphabetical order this one. I hope you understood this one. All of you write neat and clean. Okay, and here you have to write, full spelling. Okay, full spelling you have to write mango, apple, orange, watermelon, banana. यहाँ पर बेटा आपको फुल स्पेलिंग्स लिखनी है. ओके, now I hope you understood this one, and homework I have already given. Okay, now thank you everyone, take care and stay safe at home.